This hostess stew never lasts whole day in my home. I can't explain why everyone keeps coming back for this same meal. It is time to let it out. I hope you enjoy watching this video. It's very simple. It takes no time, no complication, but super delicious. Stick around and let's cook. Now, each time I share my own created signature recipe with you, I love to tell the story behind it. Today on, I hope you enjoy watching and listening. My name is Anniekrieger. First, before we continue, if this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. While we talk about this recipe, please just pay attention to the video. Now, if this is your first time once again, you are highly welcome. You want to stick around for more amazing, easy, simple, and delicious recipes. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching. Now, before I talk about small story on how this recipe was created, let's see what we need to do first. First, you will pre-boil or pre-cook your oxtail and then go ahead and clean it after 5 minutes. You want to get rid of any foul smell or the excess egg whites sticking around the pot. So clean it thoroughly and then introduce back to your pot, adding good amount of water. And then you want to introduce two medium large tomatoes, one medium large carrot, adding one onion, ginger and garlic. I went in with fresh rosemary, fresh, bay leaf, or if you have fresh one, perfect. I went in with just small amount of scotch bonnet pepper. This is to your preference. You can add pepper according to how much you can take. Now cover it up and let it cook until the veggies are soft and tender. So to make your oxtail cook fast, you want to prevent hardened salt from the beginning. Now this was what happened, guys. On this very good day, I had a fresh, good-looking oxtail at home, but didn't know what to do with it because I was very lazy to make the my usual or my old recipe. I was not ready to seal or to brown the oxtail because I didn't want to have oil splashing everywhere. I needed a very simple recipe, not to brown it in the oven or the oven top. I want everywhere cleaned. Okay, so that was how lazy I was on that day. So I came up with this recipe, oxtail soup, because the initial recipe or the initial plan was to make soup, but we ended up having stew because after prepping everything, a family friend was at home. He enjoyed it and he insists he needed rice because it's just too delicious to enjoy without any side dish. So we prepared rice and enjoyed it with it. Like, guys, each time he's visiting, the first thing he will ask is oxtail stew. So that is to tell you that you can enjoy this as a stew or as soup, which is depending on the consistency you want to have. If you want to have it as soup, you can just make it a little bit lighter. If you want to have it as stew, it's also suitable. Make it a little bit thicker, okay? So this is what I did. After pouring back the blended veggies, you want to season with some vegetable powder, adding just small amount of salt because it's not well cooked at this point, okay? So adding soy sauce. Now, if you're not good with soy sauce, please be careful of how much you add in here. So then cover up again and continue to cook until it is soft and tender. Like, guys, as I was saying, so each time he's visiting, he will request for hostie stew. And every of our friends, everyone get to know about this stew. They want to have this hostie stew. Like, guys, it's a very simple, easy, no stress, slow cooking, but an amazing outcome. The ingredients, the herbs, the spices, everything is just giving the stew or the soup this harmony, this inviting, delicious flavor. And I hope you enjoyed watching. Now, after cooking to tender, we are ready to go. This is the consistency we have here. It's up to you, as I said earlier. And yeah, please don't forget to hit the like button. Leave your opinion in the comment section. Would you be trying this recipe out? Let me know, guys. I enjoyed it and I bet you will love it. Thank you so much for watching till this time. Share with your loved ones, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.